Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add friends in Forza Horizon 6. So the game doesn't have inbuilt friend adding option. Like if I go to the online tab and select social from here, there is no add friend option. So what we can do is basically go to the home screen and select the app in which you own the game. So I own the game in my Xbox app, that's why I need to open it. If you play the game using Steam, then open Steam. Under it we need to add friends for our specific account. So I'm using Xbox, that's why I need to add friend on my Xbox account, and those friends will be shown in my Forza Horizon 6. If you are on PlayStation, then you have to add friends on your PlayStation account and they will be shown in your friends list. Now under Xbox I need to click on this add friend option. I can also link Steam account here as well. So we need to click on search for people, search for the friend you want to have in your friends list. Once he accepts your request, he will be added as your friend in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. For now, thanks for watching.